our fifth lesson, coordinate geometry of a 10th standard. Before going to coordinate geometry, let's discuss some basic things about it. We know that in 9th standard we study that to find out distance between any two points which on number line. See here, I am again telling how to find out distance between two points which lie on number line. Here I am drawing one number line. You can see positive number, negative number, 0 is there and some points also there. Okay, let's find out the distance between point A and C. Okay, so firstly we have to write the coordinates of point A and C. So I am writing here for distance between point A and C and how to find it. Let's see here. As coordinate of point A is 1 and that of coordinate of point C is, A point coordinate is 1 and that of C is -2. Okay, now find out bigger number and smaller number, or we can write here as here 1 is greater than -2. So the difference between distance between point A and C is greater coordinate 1 minus smaller coordinate, that is -2. So we can write here distance between point A and C is 1 plus 2, as negative get positive and the answer is 3. So the answer is distance between point A and C, or we can write length of segment AC is equal to 3 unit. Okay, this is the simple method to find out distance between any two points which lie on number line. Now in this 10th standard we have to study if these two points other than number line. Suppose these two points lie on x-axis, suppose these 2 points lie on y-axis, or whether these 2 points lie on anywhere, that means in xy plane, anywhere in a xy plane, then how to find out the distance between these 2 points. Let's take this 2 part here, that is if points lie on x-axis. See, here is x-axis, here is the y-axis, and you can see I am taking point P and Q on x-axis. As point P and Q lie on x-axis, their 2 points have only x coordinate and their y coordinate is 0 because they lie on x-axis. So how to find out their distance between P and Q? So here you have to write first coordinate of point P is x1 and y coordinate is 0. So you can write here 0, or coordinate of point Q is x2, 0. Here you can see x1 and x2. In both points x2 is right hand side, that means x2 is greater. So we can write here x2 is greater than x1 because x2 is at point Q is at right hand side. So this is bigger one. So simply the formula is that if 2 points lies on x-axis, the distance between these 2 points, that is distance between P and Q, is simply subtraction of their x coordinate, that is x1, x2. But in x1, x2 is greater because x2 coordinate is of right hand side to that of x1. Okay, so this is the simple formula for finding out distance between 2 points which lie on x-axis. Same here, if 2 points lie on y-axis, see here is the y-axis and I am taking 2 points, point R and point S, as you can show in figure. Let's see here, point R is here and point S is here. So point R has a coordinate 0 and y1. As point point lie on y-axis, their x coordinate is 0. Okay, see here, x coordinate 0, here also x coordinate 0. Why? Because this point lies on y-axis. Okay, so to find out distance between these 2 points which lie on y-axis, have simple formula. So how to find out? See here. First write down coordinate of point S is 0, y2. X coordinate 0, y coordinate is y2. And coordinate of point R is of 0 and y1. X coordinate 0 and y coordinate is y1. Now you can see here, as y1 coordinate and in y2 coordinate is above side. That means it is greater. So you can write here y2 is greater than y1. So the distance between point R and S, or length of segment RS, is greater coordinate y2 minus smaller coordinate. This is the simplest formula to find out distance between any 2 points which lie on y-axis. Okay.